Forward number 15, Bobby Balucanag. Small forward number 10, Ralph Robin. Center number 27, Justin Padua. At guard number 18, Dylan Durbin.
Our game officials are Jay Castroverde, Manuel Binondo, and Richard De La Cruz. Sport referee is Brian Ramirez. Basilan also has added some pieces during the free agency and trade window. One of them, as you mentioned already, Ralph Robin. John Wilson hits a free.
So that's something, if you are Imos, you have to be careful on, and playing the zone, that is going to be very dangerous.
Great anticipation by Dylan Darwin playing the passing lanes, and it leads to a layup in transition by Jetro Sombero.
Wala pang inside points itong Basilan, but if you're able to make the outside, then that's not going to be a problem for you.
Oh, what a pass! Finding Bobby B was John Wilson. Montuano with a steal. Basilan on the run. Robin inside the paint. From the baseline, Jervy Cruz will score.
Kasi sinasabi natin, Montuano and Jervy Cruz is not really the typical guys who's going to play around the ring. They're going to stretch it out, they're going to shoot from the mid-range, and that's going to give a hard time on the zone of Imos. What a move by Dylan Darwin.
Filipino-British player from Imos showing his stuff early in the first quarter. John Wilson, catch and shoot. Lista mo na yan.
11 na to para kay John Wilson. All coming from the outside, all coming off jumpers. And mukhang gumana talaga yung warm-up nito ni John Wilson. Tansyado ang court here early on.
Nakalusot naman ulit si Dylan Darwin.
A team that can get you to the next level. Hopefully, it is this time.
Jan Habon, short jumper. Air ball. Jervy Cruz in the nick of time. That will count.
They were number 1 before this loss, and all of a sudden, ginulat sila ng Basilan and was able to just, oh, what a basket. So, gonna be a 4-point play opportunity for Owens.
30 pa lang. 8:45 yung laro nila.
3 hours in advance mag-warm up yan si Coach Chris.
Jervy Cruz snags down another rebound. 2 minutes gone by, 14-point lead. Gawin mo ng 16 with that layup by Jan Habon.
Ganun daw mag-finish, no? Turo siya kay Blanquesa kasi dalawa na yung minutes.
They have Ken Bocon, Mac Talio, Makoy Marcos, Bobby Balucanag, and John Wilson. Shot fake, got Marquez up in the air. That's the opening he needs to fire and score.
Parang hindi lumalamig, you know? He sat on the bench for about 5 to 8 minutes etong si John Wilson, but on the first shot, he makes it right away. On the other end, John Salazar with attack and basket.
Si John Wilson ay meron na pong 14 na puntos. Mactalio, iningi yung bola, libre sa corner. Bit flat on the shot. Wilson on the other corner, short.
That was touched by Rios on the back.
Rios receives it from JP Belenchon, and finally, an assist from JP.
Alam niya na off the flyby, it's gonna be a quick make for John Wilson, but wow!
Sidestep, one-legged three-pointer. Parang siya lang ang nakakagawa niyan dito, si JP Belenchon.
Siya lang.
Bobby Balucanag, cross-court pass. Naagaw ni Balong Marquez. Counter steal, Mactalio goes all the way for the layup. Backing down, Joseph Marquez. Bacoy Marcos, another free. Back-to-back triples from Bacoy Marcos. Pardo off the dribble. Sombero thought he got fouled. Mactalio is ahead. Can't finish.
That's a rare miss. Medyo natawang teammates niya off the bench.
Belenchon laban kay Wilson. Dalawang nagtapatan dati lang. Na isa ni JP si John. Ralph Robin swishes in the trifecta.
Outside game continues. That's gonna be 3-pointer number 10 para dito sa Basilan. 8 points in total for Ralph Robin.
Na ilusot ni Noel Santos yung layup.
So, Gusto pa daw niya makakita ng marami pang mga wingmen na pwedeng lumapit sa mga numero niya dito sa MPBL. Ken Juanito.
Maraming salamat, Mika. Kalaban na nila yan when they went up against San Juan in Bataan. It speaks volumes to the competition na meron ngayon. But it also speaks volumes to him rising up to the challenge
Yes.
despite him being much older than those aforementioned guys.
There are guys who just gonna accept that, okay, I'm getting up there in age, might be good for the next generation. And there are guys like John Wilson,
Yeah.
who's gonna say, okay, you guys are here, I am still here, I am still one of the best. He knows who the good guys are, he knows who the rising talents are, but he also knows that he wants to compete with them at the highest level. Kaya ngayon, iba pa rin yung laban nito ni John Wilson.
Alam mo si John Wilson, isa yan sa mga player na, well, MoneyPay is the digital wallet built for the community. Isa yan sa mga players na kabisado niya yung mga career high niya. Career high niya dito sa MPBL, which was 44. Alam naman natin kung gaano to ka-potent na scorer.
Yes. Actually, that's the same story right now. He's one of the lead guys. Wow!
John Wilson with a hang time move.
I was just gonna talk about how good the third quarter of Balong is right now. But John Wilson also with a terrific third quarter that we're watching.
Total now of 18 points. Comes away with a steal. Wilson will lay it in.
20 na.
Yeah.
Para dito kay John Wilson.
Fast Break Game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. I remember Jan Salazar with a free. I remember John Wilson when he was with Gensan before. He had a game-winning shot here at the Inares Sports Arena. Kung natatandaan mo, yung hop step to a layup. Fast break.
What season was this?
I think it was kung Gensan siya noon, season 6.
Oh, so recent na lang to.
Oo.
Hindi ko masyadong mamaalala.
Meron yun, hanapin ko. Tandang-tanda ko yun eh. Dito sa building na yun eh. 6 on the shot clock. Belenchon. Fadeaway jumper. Josh Gracia. Mintis. Basilan on the run. Mactalio. 4-on-2 fast break. No look. Bobby Balucanag soars and scores.
One of the most explosive two-leg jumpers in the league.
Outlet pass broken up by Noel Santos.
That would have been a dunk for Bobby.
Rios could hit that from the corner, and he does.
Might be undersized for his position, but whenever he's open, that guy can make it.
3-point shot brought to you by the Extreme Water Protected Speakers. Dive into music with Extreme Speakers. Noel Santos on the run. Pasa ulit. Rios. Tatalbog paloob yung kanyang layup. Low snap hard by Grimaldo. Salazar can't shake off Makoy Marcos. Sombero will bail them out with a free.
That was actually really a bailout.
That's where he met Coach Chris Kalilan and blew them away. He remembered hitting twice back-to-back triples.
They kind of slowed down. I think they kind of felt comfortable when they got the big lead, but Imos all of a sudden is trying to turn things around. That's a beautiful two-man game between Wilson and Montuano for John Wilson, but he knows that he can take it and make it.
Marquez, short jumper, that trickles in. Ano man tawag sa kanya ngayon? Ano man tawag sa kanya eh? Ang angas something.
Wow, hit off the back. Ito si Mark Montuano.
Yeah.
Yung sila knockout play ni Jordan. Meron nga siyang nickname eh. Angas ng Mindanao.
Parang ganun. But anyway, Noel Santos was a prominent figure, winning 5 titles there. And nung tumagal-tagal, malalakas na rin yung mga nakalaban nila. They had a team from Bicol also making strides. But now, finding himself in the MPBL. Hope Pascual Mintes, Bobby Balucanag nakuha yung rebound. Ralph Robin sliding in for 2. Jordan Rios skips it to Janjan Baltasar. Wala. Balucanag, look out. He takes flight and scores.
I'm always impressed by the way he jumps with that two legs.
Basilan still with a 13-point lead. Makoy Marcos, pumihit, lays it in on the other side.
Hindi ko alam kung natatawa siya dun sa tira eh. All laughs coming from JV.
Jordan Rios, swak naman yung tres. Hamon is free on the other side. Still no go. Marquez, the pitch ahead. Rios tumingin pa. Balukanag sending that back to the friend zone.
Dalawa.
Ascom.
Ascom and Judel.
Dapat first pipe na yun eh. Si Ascom, kausap lang si Judel. Layup. Galing kay Mark Montuano. Did Mark play for Imus? Bacoor lang eh, no? Si Mark Montuano.
Yes, Bacoor. Part of that championship team that lost against Pampanga.
Saka doon siya pinakatumagal eh, sa Bacoor. Chanchan Salazar sneaks his way through. Approaching the 2-minute mark. Last 2 minutes brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. Bocon putting some mark into that shot.
Sorry, miss for Joe Gracia. 2-on-1 na yun. Pero may rin itong pasa. John Wilson.
Ang second time na nangyari sa kanya yan. Ang first up, meron din siyang ganyan. Marquez, pasok yan. Galing sa tres. Imos still has time. Marquez, another one. Short. Talio the rebound. 3-on-2 fast break. Talio gliding in. Lays it in on the right side.
We talked about this in the third quarter, the open court, the comfort zone of Mac Talio.
Salazar buries a free. And after 3 straight losses, that upset win against Jensen and following it up with this victory over Imos, they are now at 7 wins and 7 losses.